Let me ask you a question. When you think about an entry-level device, what comes to your mind? Oh, I can guess. A 5.7-inch display, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, a very low-end processor, a 3000 mAh battery that can barely last up to 4 hours, a micro USB, and a dual camera setup. While these were all found on the Samsung Galaxy A01 last year, this year Samsung decided to step up their game and improve the successor, which is the Samsung Galaxy A02s. What's up guys, it's Michael, and the Samsung Galaxy A02s comes in this box that houses the paperwork, the device itself, earphones, SIM ejector pin, 15W power brick, and a USB-C cable. Finally, something good is coming to an entry-level device. Pushing down the wrap of this device, we are greeted with the Galaxy S20 OnlyFans edition style design. I'm kind of digging it, but I will pick the plain matte finish on its predecessor and more on the triple camera setup later in this video. Also at the rear, we don't still have a fingerprint sensor, neither on the display or by the sides. Talking about the sides, on the right we have the volume rockers and below it is the power button. On the left we have the card tray that houses dual 4G nano SIM and a space for an SD card. The build quality material is still plastic, which I love. It doesn't feel premium, but when it falls, you won't cry premium tears. The predecessor of the Galaxy A02s was a very lightweight device that packed a 3000 mAh battery and weighed 149 grams. This time around, more weight has been added as this device packs a massive 5000 mAh battery which lasts for over a day as a backup device and makes this device weigh 196 grams for the massive battery on here. Now that this device has a 6.5-inch display, you can now watch me on YouTube on a bigger screen but still in 720p on the TFT display on here, even though the Infinity V notch will obstruct you. You can turn it off and leave in 2017. Since there is no form of protection on this display, I would advise you use a screen protector on this device to avoid story that touches the heart. That aside, we have a better screen to body ratio with little improvement on the chin and bezels. Entry-level cameras are not taken seriously. Companies just throw in circles at the back of a device and say we have this amount of cameras on a device, which is very true. I am not surprised, but the camera on here is better than its competitors at the same price range that I have tested. The arrow you have been watching throughout this video was shot on this device quad camera setup at the rear with good lighting indoors. That consists of a 30 megapixel wide camera, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor with an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Both the front and rear facing camera can shoot up to 1080p video with no form of image stabilization. Here are some shots taken on this device. What's up guys, so this is the front facing camera test on the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the video quality and the audio quality. This is an entry-level device, and for a starter kit, it doesn't need you to throw all your performance problem on it, as this device runs on a 14nm Snapdragon 450 chipset, which can handle all your social media apps with Among Us perfectly well. But if you throw in some Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG Mobile, you are just going to shoot the performance on the leg. I barely had any eating issues, even though I touched in some Call of Duty Mobile, but there were some noticeable lags. They were pretty obvious. I wouldn't advise you to pack a ton of apps on this device, even though it comes in two storage variants, which are the 3GB RAM 32GB of internal storage and 4GB RAM 64GB of internal storage, because the processor on here can't handle heavy-duty tasks. It is meant to store your most important files. Improvements were made on the Galaxy A02s, like the bigger display, bigger battery, bigger base storage, and USB-C. But the camera quality is still the same as last year. At least some improvements in the camera quality will be acceptable. This device is for those getting their first smartphone, a backup device, or someone who just wants to know if this device is a worthy upgrade from the Galaxy A01, and I'll say an obvious yes because the Galaxy A01 was my daily driver. If this video helped you, kindly share, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the video showing on your screen right now.